Hash Complete Guide to the VLSI Domain, 2026, ##. What is VLSI? VLSI stands for Very Large Scale Integration. It is the process of designing and manufacturing integrated circuits, ICs, by combining millions or billions of transistors into a single chip. Examples of VLSI products: mobile processors, laptop CPUs, GPUs, AI chips, memory chips, automotive chips, networking chips, IoT chips. Is VLSI good for the future? Yes, especially from 2026 onward. The semiconductor industry is growing rapidly because of AI chips, electric vehicles, EVs, 5G, 6G, data centers, robotics, consumer electronics, defense electronics, IoT devices. India is also investing heavily in semiconductor manufacturing and design. Government initiatives: semiconductor missions, chip manufacturing plants, design linked incentives, electronics manufacturing growth. Main domains inside VLSI. VLSI is divided into many fields. 1. Front-end design. This deals with logic design and coding. Topics: digital electronics, Verilog system, Verilog RTL design, FSM logic synthesis, computer architecture. Job roles: RTL design engineer, ASIC design engineer. Tools: cadence, genus, synopsis, design, compiler, Vivado. Good for people interested in coding, logic, building, architecture, processor design. Difficulty: medium to high. Salary growth: very high after experience. Number 2. Verification, most demanding field. Verification checks whether the chip design works correctly. Topics: Verilog system, Verilog UVM assertions, functional coverage test bench architecture. Job roles: verification engineer, ASIC verification engineer. Why many choose this? Huge demand, more openings, higher salaries, easier entry compared to design. Difficulty: high initially. Number 3. Physical design, PD. This converts logic into physical chip layout. Topics: floor planning, placement, CTS, routing, timing, closure, power analysis, IR drop, congestion. Tools: Innovus, ICC2, fusion compiler. Job roles: physical design engineer, PNR engineer. Skills needed: good understanding of Linux timing concepts, scripting. Difficulty: high. Demand: very high in India. Number 4. Static timing analysis, STA. Checks timing performance of chips. Topics: setup, hold, timing paths, clocks, constraints, timing, closure. Tools: primetime. Job roles: Santa engineer, timing engineer. Demand: good. Number 5. DFT, design for test. Ensures chips can be tested after manufacturing. Topics: tools: to send, DFT compiler. Job roles: DFT engineer. Number 6. Analog layout. Focuses on transistor level layouts. Topics: CMOS layout, matching analog circuits. LVS, DRC. Tools: virtuoso. Difficulty: very high. Number 7. Embedded plus VLSI. Combination of hardware and software. Best VLSI domains for freshers. If you like coding. Verification. RTL design. If you like implementation. Physical design. If you like electronics deeply. Asterisk analog layout hash. Which domain has more jobs in India? Approximate order. 1. Verification. 2. Physical design. 3. STA. 4. DFT. 5. RTL design. 6. Analog layout hash. Salary expectations in India. Approximately. Hash fresher. Asterisk 3 rupees 0.5 LPA to 8 rupees LPA hash after 3 to 5 years. Asterisk 10 rupees LPA to 25 rupees LPA hash after 8 to 10 years. Asterisk 30 rupees LPA to 60 rupees plus LPA. Top companies may pay much higher. Hash skills. You must learn hash basic subjects. Digital electronics asterisk CMOS basics. Computer architecture. Verilog HDL. Linux scripting. Python, TCL, Shell, hash. Best course path for beginner hash. Best institutes in Hyderabad for VLSI training. Some well-known institutes. Asterisk Sumita IT. Be careful for any queries. You can reach out to my mail idsunadstars@gmail.com.